In this video, we listed the 5 best kitchen gadgets for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Pepper Mill Electric. The Pepper Mill Electric is a versatile and modern kitchen tool designed to enhance convenience and efficiency in seasoning and grinding tasks. This particular model features automatic gravity sensing, allowing for hands-free operation. Simply tilt the grinder to activate the grinding mechanism. It is an excellent addition to the kitchen for grinding pepper, salt, vanilla beans, coffee, and other spices. Key features: automatic gravity sensing. Effortless one-handed operation eliminates the need for buttons or switches. Multi-purpose design, suitable for grinding a variety of spices, including pepper, salt, vanilla, and coffee beans. Adjustable grind settings. Users can customize the coarseness of the grind to suit specific recipes or personal preferences. Modern aesthetic, often designed with sleek materials like stainless steel and transparent containers to blend into contemporary kitchens. Product 2. Product name: Coffee Mug. The Wakako Octoroma vacuum insulated coffee mug is a premium quality travel tumbler designed for coffee enthusiasts seeking convenience, style, and functionality. Crafted with a double-wall stainless steel construction, this mug offers excellent thermal insulation, ensuring your beverages stay hot or cold for extended periods. Available in 6, 10, and 15 fluid ounces capacities, it accommodates different preferences, making it versatile for on-the-go lifestyles. Key features include its leak-proof lid, which makes it ideal for travel, and a compact, ergonomic design that fits most car cup holders and backpacks. The mug's durable stainless steel build resists odors, stains, and wear, providing long-lasting use while maintaining its sleek appearance. It's also BPA-free, emphasizing safety and eco-friendliness. This mug is an excellent choice for gifting, particularly for occasions like Valentine's Day. Its modern aesthetic and practical utility make it a thoughtful gift for loved ones who enjoy their coffee or tea wherever they go. Product 3. Product name: Electric Juicer Blender. The Electric Juicer Blender is a compact, multifunctional appliance designed for effortless blending and juicing on the go. It is particularly useful for making fresh fruit juices, smoothies, milkshakes, and other blended beverages. With a portable design, these mini juicers cater to active lifestyles, making them ideal for travelers, office workers, or fitness enthusiasts. Key features: portability. Most models are lightweight and compact, with USB charging capabilities for convenience. This feature allows users to charge the blender using a laptop, power bank, or car charger. Multifunctionality. They combine the functions of a juicer and a blender, enabling users to process fruits, vegetables, and even light frozen ingredients for various recipes. Ease of use. These devices often come with one-touch operation, simplifying the blending and juicing process. Rechargeable battery. Many portable juicers feature powerful rechargeable batteries, making them a reliable option for outdoor use. Product 4. Product name: 12-piece silicone utensils cooking set. A 12-piece silicone utensils cooking set is an essential addition to any kitchen, combining practicality with durability. These sets are designed for everyday cooking and baking tasks, ensuring both convenience and safety. The silicone material is food-grade, heat-resistant, and non-stick, making it ideal for use with all types of cookware, especially non-stick pots and pans. Key features: comprehensive kit, includes a variety of tools such as turners, spatulas, and measuring spoons, covering a broad range of culinary needs, from stirring and flipping to precise measurements. Food-grade material, made from high-quality, BPA-free silicone that is safe for food preparation and resistant to heat, stains, and odors. Durability and protection. Silicone utensils are gentle on cookware, preventing scratches, and are built to withstand high cooking temperatures without warping or melting. Ease of use and maintenance. Lightweight, ergonomic designs ensure comfort during use. The utensils are dishwasher safe for quick cleaning and maintenance. Product 5. Product name: Kitchen Floor Mat. A kitchen floor mat serves as a practical and stylish addition to any modern home, designed to enhance comfort and functionality in high-traffic areas like the kitchen, balcony, or entryway. These mats combine form and function, offering features like wipeable, washable, waterproof, oil-proof, and dirt-resistant properties to ensure easy maintenance and long-lasting use. Key features. Material: made from high-quality PVC, these mats are soft yet durable, providing a comfortable surface for standing while cooking or cleaning. The PVC material resists wear and tear, making it an excellent choice for areas prone to spills and stains. Waterproof and oil-proof, designed to repel liquids, these mats prevent water or oil from seeping into the surface, keeping your floor clean and safe from potential damage. Dirt resistance: the dirt-resistant properties ensure that crumbs and debris do not cling to the mat, making cleaning a quick and easy task. Easy maintenance: these mats are washable and wipeable, allowing you to clean them with minimal effort using a damp cloth. Product 6. Product name: Drawer Organizer. A utensil drawer organizer is a versatile and essential kitchen tool designed to streamline and organize kitchen drawers, ensuring easy access to utensils, cutlery, and other small kitchen tools. These organizers, such as the expandable drawer storage tray, are highly functional, offering adjustable compartments to fit various drawer sizes and accommodate a range of items. In addition to traditional drawer storage, some models integrate multifunctionality, like a retractable under-cabinet dish drying rack shelf, combining utensil organization with drying solutions for increased space efficiency. This is especially helpful for small kitchens or households looking to maximize storage and minimize clutter. These organizers typically feature durable, easy-to-clean materials like plastic, bamboo, or stainless steel, and their modular designs ensure adaptability to specific needs, aligning with user preferences for well-organized setups. Product 7. Product name: Scalable Pot Lid Holder. The scalable pot lid holder is a versatile and efficient kitchen organizer designed to help manage pot lids, pan covers, and other kitchen essentials with ease. Its scalable design allows for adjustable width, making it suitable for a variety of pot lid sizes and adaptable to fit in different spaces like cabinet drawers, countertops, or pantry shelves. This pot lid holder is an ideal kitchen storage solution, complementing your organizational needs. It ensures your pot lids are kept upright and easily accessible, reducing clutter and improving overall kitchen functionality. Constructed from durable materials, it offers stability and long-term reliability. Key features include: adjustable size: the scalable design accommodates lids of different diameters. Space saving: fits neatly into kitchen drawers, shelves, or countertops, optimizing storage. Product 8. Product name: Pineapple Slicer. The pineapple slicer is a versatile kitchen gadget designed to simplify the process of cutting and preparing pineapples. Made from durable stainless steel, this tool serves multiple functions, acting as a slicer, peeler, cutter, and parer, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. Its ergonomic design allows users to effortlessly core and slice a pineapple into even rings while minimizing waste and saving time compared to traditional cutting methods. Key features. Material: high-quality stainless steel for long-lasting durability and resistance to rust. Functionality: combines the roles of multiple tools, slicer, peeler, and corer, into one compact device. Ease of use: features a comfortable handle for a firm grip, ensuring smooth operation without exerting excessive effort. Kitchen-friendly: a must-have accessory for fruit enthusiasts, complementing other cooking tools and gadgets for efficient meal preparation. Product 9. Product name: Multifunctional Vegetable Chopper. The 12-20 seconds in one multifunctional vegetable chopper is a versatile kitchen gadget designed to simplify and speed up food preparation tasks. This all-in-one tool combines multiple functions, making it ideal for slicing, grating, shredding, dicing, and chopping a variety of vegetables and fruits such as onions, carrots, potatoes, and garlic. Equipped with interchangeable blades and ergonomic features, it caters to diverse culinary needs, from fine grating to precision slicing. Key features. Multifunctionality: combines 12 to 22 functions in one compact design, reducing clutter in the kitchen. Interchangeable blades allows users to switch between blades for various cutting styles and thicknesses. Ease of use, designed with a non-slip base and ergonomic handles for comfortable and safe operation. Durable construction, made from high-quality, food-grade materials for longevity and safety. Product 10. Product name: Portable Espresso Coffee Machine. The portable espresso coffee machine is a versatile and compact solution for coffee enthusiasts who love to enjoy freshly brewed espresso anywhere, whether at home, in the car, or outdoors. This wireless electric coffee maker is a 3-in-1 device, compatible with coffee capsules, ground coffee, and pre-prepared coffee powder, offering unparalleled flexibility for different brewing preferences. Key features: portability, lightweight and designed for easy carrying. It is ideal for camping trips, travel, or office use. Wireless operation, equipped with a rechargeable battery, the machine does not require a constant power source, making it suitable for use in cars or remote locations. 3-in-1 compatibility, supports a variety of coffee types, capsules, powder, and ground coffee, catering to diverse tastes and brewing needs. Quick brewing, delivers rich and flavorful espresso in just minutes, ensuring convenience without compromising quality. Product 11. Product name: Portable Popcorn Maker. A portable popcorn maker, such as the electric portable popcorn maker that is fully automatic and designed for home use, is a convenient and healthy kitchen appliance. This hot air popcorn machine uses no oil, making it a great choice for those looking to enjoy a healthier snack option. It works by circulating hot air around the kernels, popping them without the need for oil, which results in a lighter and less calorie-dense snack. Compact and mini, this popcorn maker is ideal for small spaces or on-the-go use, making it a perfect addition to any home, office, or dorm room. Its automatic operation simplifies the process. Simply add the kernels, turn it on, and let the machine do the rest. The absence of oil makes it suitable for those who are health-conscious or looking to reduce their fat intake while still enjoying fresh, homemade popcorn. Product 12. Product name: Watermelon Fork Slicer Cutter. The 3-in-1 watermelon fork slicer cutter is an innovative kitchen tool designed to simplify the process of cutting and serving watermelon. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this fruit-cutting tool is crafted for durability and ease of use, making it an excellent addition to any home kitchen. The 2024 model features a versatile 3-in-1 design, combining a fork, slicer, and knife into a single tool, allowing you to effortlessly slice, serve, and cut watermelon in a quick and efficient manner. This tool is perfect for those who frequently enjoy watermelon and want a convenient, mess-free way to prepare it. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the sharp stainless steel blades ensure precise cuts. It is particularly helpful for creating even, uniform slices, making it ideal for both everyday use and special occasions like summer parties or barbecues. The compact and easy-to-store design ensures that this tool won't take up much space in your kitchen drawers. Product 13. Product name: Glass Electric Kettle. The Kachu 1.7L borosilicate glass electric kettle is a high-quality, fast-boiling hot water boiler that combines both functionality and style, making it a great addition to your kitchen. With a capacity of 1.7 liters, this kettle is ideal for boiling enough water for multiple cups of tea, coffee, or other beverages. Its borosilicate glass construction ensures durability and resistance to thermal shock, while allowing you to easily monitor the water level and boiling process. The LED indicator adds a modern touch, illuminating the kettle as it heats, providing both aesthetic appeal and practical use. Designed for fast boiling, the Kachu kettle features advanced heating technology that quickly brings water to a boil, saving both time and energy. It is equipped with safety features such as auto shutoff and boil-dry protection, making it convenient and reliable. Whether you're preparing for a cozy tea session or need hot water quickly, this electric kettle delivers fast and efficient performance, and its sleek glass design complements various kitchen styles. This kettle is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a blend of convenience, safety, and elegance in their kitchen appliances. Product 14. Product name: Cabbage Slicer. A cabbage slicer is a versatile kitchen tool designed to make slicing and shredding vegetables like cabbage, potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and melons quick and easy. It's an essential gadget for anyone looking to prepare salads, coleslaw, or other vegetable-based dishes with ease. This slicer typically features sharp, durable blades that can cut through vegetables efficiently, providing consistent, uniform slices or shreds. The slicer can also be used for grating vegetables, making it a multi-purpose tool for the kitchen. Many cabbage slicers come with adjustable settings for different slice thicknesses, offering flexibility for a variety of recipes. They are compact and easy to store, making them ideal for home kitchens with limited counter space. The slicer often has non-slip bases or grips, ensuring stability and safety while in use. Some models are designed with a built-in container to catch the sliced vegetables, reducing mess and simplifying cleanup. With its time-saving design, the cabbage slicer is a popular choice for preparing vegetables for salads, pickles, stir-fries, and other dishes.